Pretty Geeks. So I didn't really anticipate making a ton of videos today, but I am just gonna kind of bang them out since my hair is clean and my face is, well, it's partially on. I'm not doing anything fancy. So I got another delivery today, and I'm thinking I'm gonna break this one up into two parts because I was waiting for BookBundler to have their buy one get one half off sale, and I will try to link it below if it is still going on. I know that they do it periodically, and they might actually have it as like a first customers thing as well. I'm not certain. I've gotten it a few times. It's a great way to get extra books for your classroom or for your home library. So for right now, I got two different boxes. I got mixed toddler and preschool, which I'll do next. And I got the level reader books for ages 3 through 8 because I wanted a really big variety, because not only do I want to stock up my classroom, but I also want to help my daughter, but I also love to donate and gift books. So we needed to fill them up. So today I have 40 books. They come in little 20 book bundlers. So let's get started, and I'm just going to show you which books come inside. And yeah, I hope you're into that, because that's what I'm doing today. So like I said, all of these are going to be leveled, and they will have all of their level information on them. And this one is Starlight in a level 3. Got Muppets. You see, these ones are all in really nice condition. Most of them will be used, but they will be in good use condition. You won't find writing on the insides of things or missing covers or anything like that. In this one, you can get like really, I don't remember what they're called. I'll try to remember it, but they're like junkier books for super, super cheap. All right, so we also got Grr Big Cats, 5 Goofy Ghosts. That one sounds like it's gonna be so fun. And oh, it's full of like little short stories. I like that. And Show Me the Honey. Backwards Day. I'm looking at, most of them are the Hello Reader. Racing Stripes. Got a Step Into Reading and Scholastic readers. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo too. There is a troll. There is a troll right on the top of this bag. Get it out. We've got trolls. All about trolls. You want that one right away? Bobo's helping. She's overseeing. We have Pinky Dinky Doo. Back to School is Cool. That could be a really fun one for back to school, actually. I'll take a look. See, it's cute. It's like journal style. I like it. Yeah, we'll put trolls on in a little bit, okay? Or actually, we won't, because we have to go by Grammy's. Okay. Wolverine, Awesome Powers. That one's pretty cool. A book about your skeleton. Oh, this is rad. I used to have this book in the hardbook version with like the clear pages. I don't know, but it was so funny. This was one of my favorite stories growing up. I loved science-y books. Moonwalk, The First Trip to the Moon. Ooh. Egypt. Animal superpowers, so cool things about animals. Oh, with beautiful photography. And you can also get leveled readers and regular books that are in nonfiction, which I thought was really cool too. But I got a mixture instead. So Henry and Mudge and the Forever Sea are ready to read. The Bravest Dog Ever, The True Story of Balto. Holy 90s kids, Balto. Scorpions, spiders, centipedes, and millipedes. Good. That's my favorite. An I Can Read book. We got Pete the Cat and the Bad Banana. A Visit to the Vet. A level 2. I feel like we've gotten mostly level 3s We'll have to keep that in mind when we're getting our donations ready. Scooby-Doo and the Thanksgiving Mystery.
Daddy, what is it?
Yeah, you can eat those. Blueberries. All right, and so that was our first 21. Hello, blueberries. There's 20 in each one, but we took 12 from this packet. How to Help the Earth by the Lorax. Ooh, it's about conservation and recycling and being a good citizen of the planet. Angry Birds, Star Wars 2, Darth Swindler's Secret. That one should be a fun one. And it's a level 1. It's pretty exciting. And Go Away Dog. So my first is actually a level. It's like a kindergarten or pre-K. And it's just for sharing with emergent readers. Everyone has kind of their own level set that they do, but there are cross categories for a lot of these too. Right, and we got our first repeat, Pete the Cat and the Bad Banana. Now, they do have a setup where if you do receive a repeat, you just let them know and they'll swap your book out for you. I, however, am going to keep it, and I'm just going to pop one into my donation pile since these books are kind of going so many different directions. Let's see. Henry Mudge is another repeat, so we'll put that one straight to the donate pile. Star Wars, Beware the Dark Side. And it is a level 4, so it's a proficient reader. Oh, and a DK readers. That's one of our first ones. So we got Lego Hero Factory, Heroes in Action. So really good for kids that are reading on their own. Great. And here is an older series by Golden Books when they are on Mile 3, Road to Reading. We have Barbie and Barbie's First Adventure. Oh, check it out. Little computers. And Hello Math Reader. Oh, I'm excited. The fattest, tallest, biggest snowman ever. That's pretty cool. Wanda Witch and the Bullies. Ben Franklin and the Magic Square. Now, I'll just show you here. See how this one's a little different? With step 4, it's because you're reading paragraphs, whereas the other one, it had it where you were reading completely on your own. So just make sure you read them. All of these books, or at least the vast majority of these books, have their chart to explain what it is. But this one's cool. This is another one that contains math. I love it when they blend the different content areas. Step into reading Dinosaur Days. I love dinosaurs. Right. Lonesome George finds his friends. Ooh, he's got a cool texture too. So it's a story about a tortoise. Ooh, check it out the light. Deputy Dan and the Bank Robbers. And Dash. Tentacles. Tale of the Great Squid. That's cool. Screech, a book about bats. And oh, one from National Geographic Kids, Great Migrations, about elephants. So this one, I'll show you again. So the levels, this one is a level 3, but it's for fluent readers. So it's the ones that are reading on their own easily, and they can kind of handle that more challenging vocabulary with some support. And Monster Truck, which is kids just beginning to read on their own, even though this one is a level 3. So that is what came in our leveled readers box for ages 3 through 8. It did seem to lean toward the older side of the spectrum, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And we only had 2 repeats in all 40 books, which is pretty darn good, I think.
Oh, go on.
Oh, go on. So that's what I have for y'all for this one.
Oh, go on.
Shaking her milkshake. So I'm going to get to unwrapping the next box, and I'll see you then. Love you. Bye-bye.